Okay, we're live.
All right, so Candy and I just picked up our new travel trailer. Pretty excited about it. This is the Rockwood Geo Pro 19 FBS. So 19 footer, and it's got a queen size bed in it. But what's pretty cool about this is this trailer, it's got the fiberglass siding on it, which, you know, big deal, right? But it's also made out of Asdo. So instead of the real thin strips of Luan plywood, when you get moisture, they tend to separate and delaminate on you. The Asdo that's right behind the fiberglass, it's mildew resistant. It doesn't have potential for delamination. But you can see here, automatic canvas here for the awning, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty sweet.
Big open storage in here.
Yeah.
You can see all the goodies we got in here. And obviously, gotta get it.
Gonna have a lot more goodies.
Yeah, and
just picked it up today.
On the front here, something really cool on this one is you can see.
David's excited.
It's got a PVC cap on it.
Excitement.
PVC cap. Super
PVC
excited.
Cap.
Glass. PVC cap is really
like
good
glass.
with the aerodynamics for the towing, which is awesome. Look here, Candy.
Oh.
Look here. You got an automatic tongue jack.
Sweet.
We're gonna take this off and we're gonna mount a bike rack that'll come over this. We'll be able to put our bikes
That's
here.
an additional feature.
Yep.
It's about $200 for this.
So 20-pound dual propane tanks, which is nice, lightweight. The overall trailer dry weight's about 3,100 pounds, which is pretty cool. Dual batteries. Let's go on the other side.
All right, let's go.
So check it out, right?
Check it out.
So torsion
Look at
axles.
that. Look at that table.
Torsion axles. This is
Yeah,
where you
I'm
can
worried
put,
about the design here.
You can put a camper here. Or
Oh, it
camp
comes
grill.
with a grill. It comes with a little grill.
It's a Coleman grill.
I don't know if you can see it. A little Coleman grill. That's what these come with, all the
So,
Geo Pros.
We're probably gonna lay everything out, but I like the LED lights, speaker, everything.
Oh, yeah, what happened to our music? Our music isn't going anymore.
What did happen to it?
We had some good jams going, some good reggae. Has a ladder to get up to the top. On the top, there are solar panels, so we can go dry docking if we wanted
It's
to.
got a ladder. It's got pre-wired for a camera, so that'll be extra, but it's all pre-wired, which is nice. The max airflow fan and the casing, so if it's raining, you can still have the vent work. But like I said, the ladder getting on the roof's nice. The other thing too is the roof. See how it's curved, so you can get on there and walk on it. Make sure all the water.
And it gives you a little bit of extra space inside.
It does inside.
Kind of like cathedral ceilings in an RV.
All the normal conventional hookup, electric, hook your wire up to it, cable, satellite, outdoor shower. Pretty cool.
That's for the dogs.
Yeah. These windows are awesome. You can't really see in, but you can see out. So just nice profile windows. Exit style window. This thing will actually come out, you know, God forbid if there's an issue. But real nice camper.
All right, let's go look inside. We got a sweet deal on this thing too.
Good deal on it. The steps. This is a lot of the higher grade RVs and travel trailers have that.
And code. Key code. Don't have to worry about carrying your keys around. There's the refrigerator, microwave, sofa bed, and it has a table behind it.
Which will sit
so
here.
I opted out for not having a dinette. Not a fan of dinettes. Hey, it's just David and I.
Yeah. You can see this nice glass. But what's cool about this too is when you fold it up, it becomes its own little backsplash.
Oh, cool. I didn't
And then
know that.
when you use this, it's a nice big prep area, which is really, really nice.
And it doesn't have an oven.
Which is okay, because you got more storage.
We lived in our RV for 6 months, and I used it twice because it makes it hot inside. So, plus we grill out a lot.
So more storage underneath, which is neat. And you can see all the other things and access for mechanical
That's
stuff.
just for me right there.
Right.
Yeah. Tiny little TV.
Little cubby holes. We'll put some cup holders and things in there as well.
Cup holders in the sofa.
Yes.
And what's nice, like I told you, this is solar. So we're not sure how to use it yet because we literally just picked it up. but we will be able to see how much solar we have left. We have been watching YouTube videos on this, and that one guy, how long did he last?
He said he
was dry docking.
He never ran out.
He never ran out.
Which was kind of cool. So
I mean, they were dry docking. I think it was like 7 days it just went, and he could have kept going.
Yeah.
Tiny little bathroom, but hey, you know what?
It works.
Hi!
What up, people?
Peace! Alright. So, I think I don't have very good service now, so I gotta get out here. There's little Maui. Say hi, Maui. Yeah, there's Maui. Alright, that's our Geo Pro. So, we're pretty excited. Very nice.